Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're going to be checking out the GooFoto tripod. This is a flexible tripod. Here is my large iPhone 6s Plus. You can put the large tablet-sized phones in here, and it also has a screw-in spot on the back, so you can mount cameras as well. Here's a little graphic on the back of the box. You can pause it anytime to take a look. I'll put details in the description. But as you can see here, you can have the smartphone in here like I have it here, and the camera mounted as well. This is a flexible ball unit. This part right here does the locking and unlocking of the ball. So you can move it and lock it sideways like this, or vertically like that. And of course you can move it either side like that. And now what's really great about the GooFoto flexible tripod is this base. So this comes apart like this, and you can set it up like that. See the nice feet right there with the phone, so you can do time lapses and whatever else you need. And then at the base, each of these legs are flexible. So you can totally do this. And what's great about these legs, so you can set it up like that. Let's say you're doing it with rocks. This will actually work on top of rocks where normal tripods won't work on rocks. You can even tie this around a pole. As you can see here, they've tied all the legs around the pole, so that is really helpful. And these are very handy. This is quite light without the phone in it, and the grip is very strong. See, I'm shaking my phone and it's not coming out at all. So that's nice, but I like the feature where the ball can attach and go vertical. So you can have the phone facing down. Let's say you're doing a Zoom class and you need to stream what you're looking at on the table. This is perfect for that as well. So you can adjust that angle either fully flat or up a little bit as well. So great for teachers or anyone that needs to show what's on a table. And you can adjust these legs however you want it. And they have a nice silicone feel on the side all the way around, so it grips well. And the metal on the inside is pretty tough, so it doesn't feel cheap at all. It's not going to break instantly. And the bottom is a harder rubberized silicone, and it's all fully connected. So these feet will not slip once they're out and ready to go. Definitely use this with my phone or even my iPhone 12 Pro Max or the latest in the Samsung series of smartphones. This should be able to handle all those large type of phones. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.